السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Uh, how are you doing, beloved sisters? I am so happy to be with you today. May Allah bless our gathering and reward you for your intention to learn Quran. Now we are going to start our first lesson, inshallah, in Nour Al-Bayan. Nour Al-Bayan is one of the curriculums that cares about learning Arabic for beginners, like Rania, Baghdadiya. All of them help you to learn Arabic from the beginning. Sometimes we call it Quranic Arabic. Why? Because it's for reading Quran, especially for reading Quran. If you look at Mus'haf, you will see different way in writing. We write Quran in Osmani writing, which is different than normal books or newspapers. We write it differently. In this chart, you will see the Arabic characters. There are 29, and we will learn, inshallah, their names, their shapes, their sounds, everything about them. But this is like introduction. We have some facts about Arabic. We are going to speak about 5 of them. Maybe you will need them in this level. First one, we already mentioned that we have 29 letters. The second fact is we read and write Arabic from right to left. Arabic letters are connected. They're not like this in English. No, they are connected like this. We don't write them separately. Vowels are symbols like this. We don't have like letters like A, O, U, I, E, and so on. No, we have symbols. You will see them on the top or under the letters. And number 5, letters shape is changing according to its position. So if you look at the letter in the beginning or in the start of the word will be different than same letter in the middle or at the end. Inshallah, we are going to study first letter